Hi everyone, welcome back to Skyward. Today in this video, I will explain the Playwright project structure step by step. So you will understand how the files and folders are organized. Don't forget to subscribe for more testing tutorials. GitHub. This folder is used for GitHub Actions workflows. It lets you run Playwright test automation when you push code or create a pull request. Node modules. It contains all project dependencies, including Playwright itself. You do not edit this manually. npm packages installed everything here. Package lock JSON. It ensures everyone on your team installs the same dependency versions. Test folder. Your main folder where you write test cases. You can organize test by features or modules for easy management. Here you can view example inside this folder. Here inside this folder, you write the test examples folder. This is sample test file provided by Playwright. You can view here example. This is test. Before each, navigate to the URL, and here describe should allow me to add items. Package.json. It defines dependency and npm scripts. You often use it to run tests with npx playwright test. All dependencies will be displayed here inside this package.json. Package log JSON logs versions of dependency as the project level. It keeps your setup consistent across different machines. Here you can view name playwright version, log file version, required true, name playwright versions, license, and type note. Playwright config.ts. The main configuration file. This is the main configuration file. Here you set browser URL, base URL, retries, reporters, and timeout. If you want to enter base URL, so you can here define base URL. And if you want to add retries in your test case, suppose any test case failed and you want to retries, so you can define here number of retries in this configuration file. And same as well, you can define here timeout time. So that's project structure of Playwright. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe